how to move files from your iCloud to your Mac computer. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first step is to head over to your desktop and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side. You can then select System Settings. Now click on your profile name in the top left hand side, and you need to make sure that the Apple account that you're signed into is the same Apple account that you're signed into on your other Apple devices. Once you're signed in, you can scroll down and click on iCloud, and then scroll down and press See All. Now next to Photos, make sure this is turned on like you see here. You also need to make sure the iCloud drive is synced as well. Now once you've done this, go and close out of this window. Now click on the Finder in the bottom left hand side, and then come over to the iCloud drive on the left hand side. Now if it's simply a file you want to move from your iCloud over to your Mac, you can simply select the file from the list. You can then click on the download icon next to the file, and then you can simply drag this file into either your documents, downloads, or your desktop. You'll get a warning message, just press move. So that's how to move a file, but what if we want to move photos and videos as well? Well, to do this, you can click on the Photos app in the bottom of the page, and then just click on Library at the very top here. Now from here, select the photo or video that you want to move to your computer. You could then just simply drag the photo or video over to your desktop, and as you can see, it's now saved locally on our Mac computer.